The manufacturing industry relies heavily on data analytics to enhance product quality and operational efficiency. In this sector, analyzing data related to product defects is crucial for identifying patterns, reducing costs, and improving processes. Our platform, Lan4AI, empowers businesses by providing advanced analytics tools to derive actionable insights from their data. For datasets containing information about product defects, such as types, locations, severity, and repair costs, Lan4AI helps users analyze defect patterns effectively, leading to improved product quality and reduced costs. Once your data is uploaded to the platform, a comprehensive summary is automatically generated. This summary highlights key insights, outlines column types, and explains what each represents. Using this summary, the platform identifies relevant analysis goals, guiding you to ask meaningful questions about your data. It also recommends visualizations tailored to these questions. In the visualization section, you can either select from predefined goals or create your own. Let's dive in.